Friends, our next topic is section 144A. Just follow the revision. This is power of joint commissioner to issue directions. Friends, additional, joint, deputy, assistant and ITO, these members are generally known as assessing officers. Generally, assessing officers will do the assessment and pass the assessment orders. So sometimes ITO can pass the order, sometimes assistant commissioner also can pass the order. But while doing the same, they may have some doubts, or they may have some issues. At that time, they can go and approach their superior. Here joint commissioner have that power. So see the provision, section 144A, power of joint commissioner to issue directions. Now joint commissioner shall issue a directions on its own motion, or else on the reference made by the assessing officer, or else on the application made by the SC. So three way. First one is on his own motion, so this is self driven, or else based on the request of the assessing officer, or on the application made by the SSC. So two are based on request, that is assessing officer request or SSC request, and first one is anyhow self driven. So thing is as follows: once he wanted to issue the directions, he called for the records and examine that records, and he will give his own directions. Okay, see the word call to examine the record of any proceedings in which assessment is pending. Okay, chalo next one. It is necessary that joint commissioner of income tax may issue directions for the guidance of assessing officer to enable him to complete the assessment. If joint commissioner is in opinion that the directions are required, in that case he will issue the directions for the purpose of guidance to the assessing officer to complete the assessment. Next one, the directions are compulsory binding on assessing officer, because his joint commissioner is superior and assessing officer generally the cadre is subordinate. So subordinate compulsory has to follow directions given by the superior authority. So the directions given by joint commissioner of income tax shall binding on the assessing officer. Next one, suppose such directions are prejudicial to interest of Mr. SSC, then it can be given only after giving natural opportunity of being heard. So once we have given the opportunity of being heard, then only that kind of directions can be issued, provided if it is prejudicial to the SSC. Next number, but no appeal is possible against these directions, because these directions are matter of opinions, these directions are matter on guidelines. Then on guidelines or opinions, you cannot go for appeal. So therefore the directions given under section 144A by joint commissioner of income tax is not at all appealable. But one thing for sure, what, based on the direction, if assessing officer issued any assessment order, in that case SSC can file the appeal only against the assessment order, but not on the directions given by the joint commissioner of income tax. Thank you.